Hello, it's me again, Kateryna Gonchar, and today I will show you how to make beautiful one-stroke design with color concentrates. Product what I will use today, it's Extreme Matte Top Gel, color concentrate blue, color concentrate red, color concentrate yellow, neon green gel polish, liner gel black, liner gel white, and brush for one stroke number 4. Now we will do flower with one stroke technique. One stroke it's a very old technique and very popular. It's very easy to make beautiful flowers. Position of my brush a little bit angled. And one more time, don't press with your brush. The movement up and down, up and down. Don't cure your design until you don't have a perfect fading of the colors. You can repeat it. Now you can precure 10 seconds in twin light. And now we will continue with other petals. One side and another side. Then I will make second part of my flower. Now you can precure 10 seconds in twin light. And then we will continue with petals from another side. And from another side. Done, and we will cure it in lamp. Now we will need to do green leaves. For green color I will mix yellow color concentrate and blue. And of course I like to add a little bit of green neon color of gel polish. Okay, and now we will do leaves. One, two. I won't pay you attention that all my design go on diagonal direction on the nail. If you want to have a brighter green effect, I recommend to cure first layer and to repeat your design. For sealing of this design I prefer to use Extreme Matte Top Coat. End result is ready. Are you enthusiastic to see what we did? See you. Bye bye.